Hello, my name is Aaron. I am a certified life coach, mindfulness and meditation practitioner, and mindset guru. In this video, I am going to guide you through an EFT tapping routine for stepping into your personal power. If you haven't yet watched the first video in this series where I explain what is EFT and the basic tapping point sequence, I would highly suggest that you watch that video first. I will link that in the description box below. If you want to dive in deeper to EFT, then I would highly suggest that you take my EFT Masterclass, and I will also include that link in the description box below. But before we begin, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notifications on all future videos. So I am actually going to start making the videos a bit longer. I've gotten numerous requests for longer EFT tapping videos. At first I wanted to make them short just to guide you through the process, so they wouldn't be too long so you could easily, go through them. But you all said that you wanted them just a little bit longer. So what you're going to find is for the videos moving forward, I will continue to do the same sort of tapping sequence. I will extend both the first and the second part, so we'll tap a bit. I'll pause and ask you to breathe, and then you'll see the video come back in. It'll be just a slight pause. You'll see it come back in, and we will begin tapping once again and move forward, okay? So go ahead and get settled and let's tap together. Okay, let's begin this tapping sequence and just go ahead and tap where I tap and repeat after me. I will leave a pause for you to speak. If something doesn't resonate with you, change the wording, change the sentence, say it how you would say it. Put your own sauce, your own flavor on it, okay? Let's begin at the karate chop point. Even though I have given up my personal power, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I have given up my personal power, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I have given up my personal power, I completely love and accept myself. I don't feel like I am in control right now. There's always something going on, something negative. There's always someone who's trying to put me down or keep me down. Every time I turn around in my life, all I see are problems everywhere I look. I'm tired of the stress. I'm tired of the issues. And the truth is, I'm disappointed in myself. The truth is, this entire time, I have been looking for something outside of me to validate me. I have been looking for a person to tell me that they're proud of me, that it's okay. I have been looking for other people to honor and respect me, and they haven't. I have been giving my power away to other people in external situations by reaching for that validation outside of me. The truth is, I have not been trusting in myself. The truth truth is, I have not been trusting in the divine, my life lessons, or my experiences. And now I feel stressed out. But the truth is, I'm tired of all of that. I've gotten to that point. And I am there. I'm no longer willing to play this game. I feel my mind shifting. I feel my body shifting. I am shifting into a new place and a new space. I am shifting into a new space and a new place. I am shifting into a new space and a new place in my life, where I am stepping into my personal power. I am claiming my personal power. Go ahead, pause, take a deep breath, exhale on the side. Feel the energy moving through your body. Give it just a moment, and we'll continue our tapping sequence. Okay, let's begin. Back at the karate chop point. This time, let's start with I am shifting into a new place and space in my life. I am shifting into a new space and a new place in my life. I am shifting into a new space and a new place in my life. I claim my personal power. I take responsibility for myself. I claim my personal power. And I take responsibility for my situations and experiences. I claim my personal power. And I take responsibility for everything that's going on in my life. Because when I take responsibility, I acknowledge my power to get myself into any situation that I don't appreciate. But that also gives me the power to get myself out of any situation and into that new space and into that new place. I am confident in myself and my abilities. I am confident in myself and my abilities. I've been through a lot in life. And my life lessons have taught me how to survive. But you know what? I'm moving out of this place of survival. I've already survived. And I am moving into a place and space of thriving, of enjoying, of being satisfied with all that I have. Knowing and trusting that more is coming to me to be satisfied about. Because I take responsibility. I claim my power. Every day, in every way, I am stronger and stronger and stronger. every day in every way, I am more flexible. I go with the flow. I always have a plan, but I allow my plan to shift and change based upon what I need. I am comfortable expressing myself and my emotions. I am comfortable expressing myself and my emotions. I honor how I feel. I am cool, calm, and collected. I think with my right mind. I am sound in mind. I am sound in body. I am sound in spirit. I claim my personal power. I'm not relying on anyone else or anything because I got this. I claim my personal power. And so it is. So it is. So it is. Okay, so hopefully you have enjoyed this longer EFT session about stepping into your personal power. Remember, check out all of the videos in this series if you are enjoying EFT. There are a variety of EFT routines that I guide you through to help you in various areas of your life. And make sure if you want to dive deeper that you check out my EFT Masterclass. It contains tons of information about EFT, where it comes from, what the tapping points mean. And it also has a fillable PDF workbook that will guide you through even more EFT practices. If you're interested in learning more about personal development, self-exploration, and energy work, make sure to follow me on Instagram, where I'm currently hosting personal development workshops, free workshops, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern. I also have a private Facebook group where I will continue to guide you and coach you. I will link that in the comment section below. And I also have a weekend workshop called Sunday Space. Every Sunday at 12 Eastern, at noon Eastern, I guide you through mindfulness meditation, EFT, and journaling in order to help you release energy from the previous week or get in alignment with what's coming up for you in the upcoming week. So make sure to check out all of those resources. Once again, I will link everything in the description box below. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notifications on all future videos. And I will see you next time for the next EFT tapping sequence. Have a great day.